Well, that almost looks like a bloody handprint. Ain't that cool? That's just low clouds. Oh no. What's coming from that? I don't even know what that is. Like, seriously. So if you're wondering, generally, whenever I don't actually get to take a shower and stuff, because I got to keep going, usually it involves me getting a cup of hot water from the truck stop, shaving, brushing my teeth, throwing on some deodorant and shirt, and I'm gone again. I usually use my phone as a mirror. Yeah, good enough, right? Back on the road. This is gonna go really bad. Everything about this is bad. Oh, that's so much fun. It's been a day, it really has. So I got undecked and then I singled out this nice pretty truck, and I thought I was gonna be able to deliver it tonight, but I called and they're like, oh, you can't be here until tomorrow morning. It's like, all right, so I'm gonna have to run and hustle and be able to get there. But I've actually been telling you I was gonna show you this place for a long time. Days Inn, Portage, Indiana. Now it's kind of nuts, but I've stayed here before, and it's kind of sketch. So, we'll see. I just went in here, and they've like done some remodeling and stuff. And I guess it's American owners now. Down, right, up, left. That's what she said. Down, right, up, left. So, yeah. So, like I said, they remodeled this place. It's like 4 hotels stuck into one. I hadn't been in a couple of years. Then right, now I'm going up, and then left. Yeah, and then I go back through here. This is a damn maze for sure. And then I'm one of these rooms. Okay, so we gotta say, King Sweet King. It smells like they used some extra shrink cleaner. Okay, so we got a bathroom. Crappy towels. I like the mirror thing. Shower. It's not horrible. I like the fact this is high enough. Got a blow dryer. Got a place to hang your clothes. Got a skinny mirror. TV. Microwave. Fridge that works. Little desk area. Americans. TV works. Timeline-wise, Charlie Kirk got assassinated yesterday. I was really a fan of him. Hate to give this heartfelt message, but he really helped bring back the spirit of debate in this country, and having the ability to disagree with someone and have a conversation about it. And I loved him for that, and I think that's going to be his legacy, because nobody has conversations anymore. I blame our parents, because we said we weren't supposed to talk about that stuff. The truth is we needed to. Anywho, there's bed. So, that's interesting. It feels very damp, but thick. Oh, this is so soft. I'm gonna sleep so good. Oh, I actually get to sleep. I got up at 1:30 this morning, haul ass. But I don't have to get up until like 3:30. So, it's like 6:30, 7 o'clock now. So I got like 7.5 hours to sleep. It's got a chair. That chair looks weird. It looks like stuff. Sorry, I haven't got the black light. Yeah, I don't know. This ain't a bad looking old room. At least it's got a new outlet. You know what they don't have? Coffee. No freaking coffee. It's the worst thing in the world. No coffee. So there's an ice machine, and then they got all these little rooms. I don't know what they are. I found laundry. It does have a laundry room. Let's go in the old part. I just know it's gonna smell like pot, really bad. But I'm hunting for you, hunting for the pool, because apparently it's cool, because it's newish. I don't understand. She said, "Hey, the pool's back open." Blah blah blah. I was like, "All right." The other side's been remodeled, so maybe this is. Yeah. Okay. We're making our way downtown. Up into the. There's a code on the door. Holy shnikes! That's cool. It's got a big pool. Like, this is not half bad. And it actually, it's a deep pool. 8-footer down here, boys and ladies. You know I ain't gonna forget the ladies. Anyway, they said they had a hot tub on the map. It would have been there, so I'm pretty sure they covered that. Listen, this smells like pot. I just learned 8 foot's bullshit. They actually had to make it go down to 5 foot, but it's still 5 foot. It's not 3 foot, so you can actually stand up and, be like right here. So, oh well. I just saw something I'm gonna go back and look at. Well, that almost looks like a bloody handprint. Yeah. I just stopped by the market downstairs. For $2, I got a candy. Yeah, I got Sweeties. Then I'm going to bed, because I can do that. Oh, I'm out. Good night, y'all. Y'all, I slept well. Actually, I slept like a rock. I'm going to go see if I can find coffee, because there's no coffee in the room. So, yay. So there's a whole just huge truck parking lot. So you got me and then another guy. Both of us had the same idea of, I am not going to park out there in that big ass lot to where somebody can steal my shit. So, yay. Oh, I'm go in the shower. You're ready to go. I'm not dressed. I literally just threw a shirt on and some shorts. I didn't have any skibbies on underneath shorts. I didn't even put socks on. I'm just, like me. But I need some coffee. And this is cold as shit. But I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna put it in a cup and microwave. FYI, it's not a normal microwave. There's no buttons and no knob. But you hit play and that gives you a minute 30. It's the stupidest thing ever. But I just need to super nuke the coffees. I don't know how far they got. Anywho, I just need to super nuke this coffee so I can add it to the lukewarm coffee and make it hot coffee. So super nuke lukewarm equals hot, right? And oh, no ding. That's so not satisfying. That's the perfect temperature now. Perfect. It's perfect. Anyway, so I have crossing time zones. It's 2 hours to get there. It's actually 3 because I'm crossing time zones, which gets me there at 7 if I leave at 4. But they said they'd probably try to come in a little early. I don't know when that is. Give it a little extra time, hoping that a little early means 7:30. Yeah, and then headed to the airport. Let's say they don't show up till 8. Then I got 2 minutes for them to sign my paperwork. And then I've got to hit the road in an Uber to get to the airport by 8:30 to be able to make my flight to get back so I can pick up another load. Thank God. Sorry, I totally forgot about you. I actually had somebody text me are you awake? I'm like, yes, I'm always awake. They were wondering if we want to go to one of those adult hotel parties. I was like, yeah, let me ask my wife. Which is cool, don't get me wrong. I don't mind. Anybody can text me at 2 in the morning, 3 in the morning, 4 in the morning. I'm probably up. And if I'm not, I'll get to you when I wake up. America, America. Yeah. I miss patriotism and all that good stuff. I'm very much a patriotic person. So, anywho. All right, well, I'm going to scoot on up the road. Oh, wifey's calling me. Talk to y'all later. Oh, this place is kind of cool. I guess that's how they keep the snow off you. Hey, just so you know, my mom was in Amway, and I'm in Grand Rapids, Michigan. So, I've never been to this airport. So we're going to, I'm going to be boarding in 24 minutes. But, might as well, right? Go kind of check it out a little bit. See what's here. I'm sure it ain't going to be much. All the way to the other end. Egg gates. Well, that's cool. Sorry. I'm not going to, call somebody to let me in there. I'm just not going to. Sorry. You can't see it, but it might look cool.